What's going on, guys? It's Pivot135 here. I'm with Buzzkill321, and today we're playing Pokemon The Lodge, and we play this. I don't know if just tell us if we can do a series or not with this, because we'll be fighting all along. For this one, we don't have a rule for now, but the next fight. Shut up! The next fight we will have a rule, and we're going to tell you them. And he's fighting me now. So we're going to fight, and we're fighting till the end. What? What?
Wait,
What?
my tablet's about to die, so I'm gonna find a computer.
Well, anyways, that's what I was saying. So we're going to fight. His batteries are dead, so I don't know if he can play in this tab. So anyways, as you see, we are fighting down here. So these are his Pokemon, and these are my Pokemon. So, I don't know what his. I'm just going to start with my weakest one. So we're going to fight head on head, and we're going to do this repetitively. I think the best of 3. Not now, sorry. Anyways, so fire. Hypnosis. So hypnosis doesn't. It can turn the enemy to fall asleep. Ha! Get wrecked. So anyways, as you can see, we're fighting with our Pokemon in Pokemon The Lodge. So I'm going to put the what? No! So I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to play this game or not. So if you want to fight with us or something, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, just tell us. And if after this, I'm going to ask you guys something that is very important to us, because we're going to start that kind of series as well soon. If you agree, I hope you agree. So I'm going to beat his Pokemon. His Mega Charizard X is dead. So for anyone watching this, thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, and please smash your face down on that like button. And holy crap, he well played, sir. Well played. So anyways, as I was saying, the rules that will be on the next battle will be, for 15 minutes we're going to look for Pokemons, and the 6 Pokemons that we have caught, yeah. We're going to restart again. Sorry guys, be right back. I will be, seriously, be right back. And I'm going to continue this later. Be right back. I'm going to pause this video. Sorry. So, I guess I should introduce this game to you before we fight again. So, anyways, we go to Pokemon, and yeah. So this is where we have our Pokemons. It's just like our PC that is never going to be full. So full can have. Oh my! How the? Ooh, I have. Ooh, I have a Hoopa. So guys, he's here. He's back. Yay! Oh, by the way, so before we battle again, hey, Johan. It's been a long time. So
Yeah.
So sorry guys. But
Die. No.
yeah, I'm sorry. So before we fight once more again and restart everything, I'm going to introduce this game to you first. So first log in, and you pick your favorite Pokemon. Well, that shows up because I don't have a new account, because I'm pro in here. Oh, and also, Johan, can I say something? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, you can actually play with your friends, battle with your friends in here if you play Pokemon, and you can trade your Pokemon. Just like he wanted my Hoopa, and he traded something for a Volcanion, so we got this in here. So, guys, please tell us if you want us to continue these, because we really love them. And today, I think I'm going to troll him. So let me go to my team. Okay, then go to Lucario, change attacks, and then not change attacks. I'm going to change this Pokemon. So wait, let me call him back. So let me replace him, and you can actually replace Pokemons in your team whenever you want, and you can change their attacks. So I'm going to remove Lucario. Remove. God damn it, remove! Piece of card. Wait, I think. Shut up! So I think my internet's a bit low, so yeah. Sorry about that, guys, if I'm a bit lagging. So let me put my Hoopa in here. So save the team. Then close in here, and yeah. So where you go to our team, your team. Oh, why am I playing this now? Wait a second. My internet's a bit slow. Sorry about that, guys. So we can change these attacks, and we can actually evolve our Pokemon whenever we want. If they level up, or when they are in the perfect level for them to level up, no one's gonna remind you. It's your own choice. So let's go to Shadow Ball and change it to Hypnosis. Where's Hypnosis? So that's why I love Hypnosis, is because it can make your enemy fall asleep. It hypnotizes your enemy. So there it is. It's yeah. So let me just change those attacks. Let me change my Psychic into I think so what is weak against Volcanion? So I think a Gunk Shot. I don't know. So let me change those and change attacks. Okay, so we got that. I have a bunch of money left. So for any of you guys still new, you go to maps and you will be sent home in here. My internet's slow. Wait, let me call him. Okay, there. So you pick one of these places, and yeah. For example, I go here and you use your arrow crease or these things. Arrow crease in here. So I'm just gonna use that, and it's kind of a bit slow because. So as you can see, I can find Pokemons. So they aren't going to be like in the real Pokemon. So if you want to catch it or fight it to gain levels,
I have a shout out.
okay. So try to catch it, and here. So I'm just gonna call this.
Henry played already.
Wait, still introducing in the. I'm still introducing. So there. So all you have to do is just that, and when it's in a low health, and you can just catch it with your Pokeballs. Anyway, so we should proceed to the fight now.
Before you start, keep on introducing. I have a shout out. Buster loves this song from Smash. You know Smash? Subscribe to Smash. Subscribe to Smash. I'm subscriber. You're a subscriber. By the way, I'm Fusion Night Gaming. We do gaming. That's why.
No one's ever gonna know. Be right back. So now the trolling's gone. I'm just waiting for him to attack me.
Okay, now I'm gonna challenge you. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so as I introduce you, I'm going to introduce more, I guess, on the next meeting I have with this guy, Dirt.
I have a name, you know, Dexter. I have a name.
I know, everybody has a name. Except for my cat who doesn't have a name.
Except for Poop.
Poop has already a name.
Just accept the challenge, damn it.
Already did.
Waiting for it.
Come on, I'm waiting for you. God damn it.
I'm listening to Smash Rap right now, Dexter.
Okay, me here.
Okay. Found you already.
Okay, fight me already.
What Pokemon are you choosing?
You first. I mean, no. This is a random thing.
Check me that Hoopa, dude. Check me
Sorry.
that Hoopa.
Just fight me.
Okay, just give me that freaking Hoopa after we battle. Dude, that's the one Pokemon that I've been asking for you.
Hyperspace hole.
Hyperspace butthole.
Shut up.
I don't care. You got first. Dragtail. Oh no, wait. How about this move?
You know you're sleeping, right? Backfired. Well, you got gunk shot on you. I mean, poison.
What level is that Hoopa, by the way?
That was a Hoopa. I didn't get it to unbound first, so I can show off and do something.
If I use this move, I'll surely die.
Poison. What? You freaking bullcrap!
Knew it. Swear it.
God damn it, Nutcracker.
Dude, no joke. There's a trainer battling me, and it's by the name XX Poop XX.
I just wonder why they made Rayquaza look at me, and the other Pokemons look at their enemies.
Go Pokemon that I've the same with Dexter.
What are you watching now? What? Oh, you changed stuff. You head.
And you're always losing your chick. Sorry.
I don't have a chip.
There's no silk in mine. Hyperspace butthole. And I'm gonna die with that night day side, am I? It's gonna be embarrassing. Sweet guess, but it missed.
Yeah, right. Grass types are super effective against ground types. Keep that in mind. Remember? Second
No,
moves.
I only fight with Bowser's.
Really?
Oh man, I forgot this shit.
Move up some. Wait, what? That's you literally made me sing. You piece of Nutcracker.
We really love doing these video game raps. Zelda rap, AC3 rap. All of you guys are like, you guys need Super Smash Brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we got a couple characters that are gonna be rapping today. We got Mega Man, we got Mario, we got Eurosip Samus, we got Villager, and we have Jackie.
Villager.
Come back.
Wait, just no comment.
Don't show the shit. Yeah.
Really? Do you really have to put that in there? Guys, I'm going to post this till we got a one-on-one Pokemon battle. See you guys later. You guys, as you can see, Johan here died on our last battle.
You better put that Hoopa on the trade.
So there's my $5,000. Thank you. 5 Poke dollars. Thank you very much. So see you guys. Let me know in the comments what I should catch, and you guys